Hey guys, I'm Jen and this is beautyriotx, and today we are talking about a haul update, and after the haul update I will clue you in on a giveaway that I have starting today. But for now we are going to talk about things that I've bought over the last month or so and have a firmer opinion on now about what I really think of them. Alright, the first thing is this Wet n Wild palette. It's one of their new formats that they have going on now. This is the Comfort Zone palette. I think their metallic and shimmers are so I don't like them. The mattes are amazing. I love 3 out of 4 of their palettes because they're mostly matte. I mean, I guess they kind of swatch okay, but with a brush, there's barely anything there. And actually, I'm going to still keep this though because I love these 2 matte shades, so I'll keep this in my collection, but you know, those 8 shades are just no. All right, the next is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is the color C3. I love this. I don't agree that it's 100% full coverage. It's supposed to be it's supposed to be like the Tarte Shape Tape dupe. I don't have that, so I can't compare it, but I love this. I don't care that it's not full coverage because I don't need a full coverage concealer, so that's fine with me. Some people might disagree and think it is full coverage. To each her own, whatever. To each his own, whoever, whatever, anyway. But I love this. I would definitely recommend it. I mean, for the price, I mean, you can't go wrong. All right, the next is the new Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. It's in the color Rose Gold. I'm wearing it today. It's gorgeous. I was worried that it was gonna be too pink or just not go with my skin very well, but I mean, it's fantastic. And if you have a deeper skin tone, this would look incredibly gorgeous on you. All right, the next is, I got this because of Jessica Braun from Jam Beauty. It's the number 7 bronzer in Maple. She swears by these. I think there's 3 of them. This was just way too warm. I mean, you can't really tell on, but I mean, it's yellowy orange. No. The formula's really nice. I wish the color was better for me, but it's just not, so I'm just gonna pass it on. Everybody said this was amazing. Big YouTubers, smaller YouTubers, everybody swears by this. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder in the shade 1 Fair. There's only 3 shades, I believe. Fair, medium, and deep or dark or something. Ailey, if you're watching, I totally fucking get it. I can't believe I can believe how expensive it is. It's not disgustingly expensive. It wasn't as expensive as my Armani powder, but it's still up there in price. I don't even care. It's amazing. All right, I have 2 more eyeshadow palettes. These are the new Milani eyeshadow palettes. These retail between $15 and $20 a piece. They have the Bold Obsessions. Don't mind this palette because 2 of them broke in transit. I have another one on the way. And then the Most Loved Mattes. These are worth every fucking penny. I used nothing but these on my eyes today, and I used them for the first time today. Holy shit. If you were debating whether to get these, go get them. They're so gorgeous, so pigmented, so blendable, they're awesome. All right, and the last few things I have are some lipsticks. I have 7 of the ColourPop new tube lipsticks, the Luxe lipsticks. No, I'm not wearing one today. I'm wearing ColourPop, but I'm not wearing that one today. I'm actually wearing, if you're interested, this is the ColourPop liquid lipstick. It's the Ultra Satin Lip in Lost. Okay, but these are gorgeous and incredible and creamy and pigmented and opaque and $7 each. Hello Stranger, Liquid Courage, Ghosted. I'm not gonna do all of them, but I'll just do a handful. And then Pinkies Up right here. I mean, they're $7 each. I don't even know what to say. ColourPop, you've won the day. All right, and the last things I want to talk about are 2 more lip colors. I got the Kat Von D little duo of Lolita and Lolita 2, I believe. I don't get what the big deal is about these. I hate Lolita 2. Yikes. I'm gonna show you Lolita 1 first. This is the OG. It's fine. It's just kind of a warm nude color, although in the tube, well, it looks slightly more mauvey or pinky in the tube, and it's a little more brown on my hand, but this color's fine. Ugh, but Lolita 2 is I don't know, I don't like this. I just don't think it's a good homage to the original one. It's just too orange. I don't know what it is about it, but I don't like it at all. All right, and that was it for my little haul update. Some of the recent things that I got that I ended up loving, some things I didn't. And now on to the giveaway. So in honor of all of you for getting me to 1,500 subscribers, I'm so excited. That's amazing. You guys kick ass. I am giving away the Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Place. Basically the same thing as the big Masquerade palette, but they're just slightly smaller pans. But to be fair, Juvia's regular palette pans are ginormous as far as regular size goes. So this would be like a regular size palette, so, and it's gorgeous. If you've never used Juvia's Place, like so true to color and pigmented and it's creamy and amazing, you'll love this. The next thing is the Makeup Revolution Strobing Palette. If you know me, you know I love Makeup Revolution highlighters. I think they're just some of the most incredible ones on the market, not even just in the drugstore, on the market period. I've talked about Makeup Revolution in countless videos. So you have a slightly pink, slightly champagne, and then a lighter iridescent-y one. And normally I don't love iridescent or like hollow highlighters. I'm not shy about letting people know that, but this one is one of my favorite ones ever. And I think it's because it's so, it's just flattering. It doesn't even matter. There's hints of like pink and yellow and even like a tinge of green. They're incredible. They're gorgeous. So this is also included. And then the last two things are two face brushes from Morphe. We have a bigger kind of powder brush, could be a blush brush, and then this could actually be used as a foundation brush, something that convects concealer. So those are what you can win. So if you want to be included in that giveaway and have a chance to win, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and comment below and tell me what your favorite eyeshadow palette is. That's it. I want to know the brand and the actual name of the palette. So if your favorite brand is Milani and the Most Loved Mattes is your favorite, then that's what you need to answer with. So that was it. I will leave all the details, how long the giveaway will be going on for, in the description box below and any other information you need to know. Unfortunately, this is not open internationally. I apologize for any of my international subscribers. It will be coming eventually, just not yet. Anybody else who's in the continental US, feel free to enter and follow the directions for your chance to win. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.